Welcome to Tech Corner. This video, I'm going to explain the chamfer and the fillet tools. Starting with the fillet tool, is found under Modify, or you can type FIL, and then the fillet tool will be active. So the fillet tool is used to convert the sharp corner into round corners. Now I'm going to select this, the first object, and then select the radius. Now select that corner. Now this corner is round. You can repeat. You can repeat on the four corners. So this is the filleted rectangle. Still, you can fillet on this. Select the first object, select the second object. Now we use the fillet command. Coming to chamfer command is found under fillet command. The chamfer is used to replace the sharp corners with an angled line. So we can select this one. Now we want the angle or distance. So you can write the distance here, 5. And this one looks so small. So we have the chamfer there. But you can increase the distance. So the first line is here. The distance, let me say 100. And then second distance is also 100. Now this one is clear. So that's how we use the fillet and the chamfer commands. Thank you.